In vector differentiation, another important topic is vector identities. So here vector identities, we have some more of identity formulas. We have to prove this one. So here, if a bar is a differentiable function and pi is a differentiable scalar point function, then prove that div of pi a equals to grade pi dot a plus pi div a. In another formula, we can write this one as, whereas div as del dot pi a is equals to del pi dot a plus del pi dot a plus pi del dot a. Div a can be written as del dot a, we know that. Where take the LHS part. So del can be written as, what is del? I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. In summation form, summation I dou by dou x of pi a, summation I, where dou by dou x of pi a is dou pi by dou x dot a plus pi dot dou a by dou x. By writing summation to the both summation of now I dot dou pi by dou x of a plus summation of this one, summation I dot of this one. So in our convenient purpose, let me write summation I dot dou a by dou x of pi. Why? Because we have to prove the RHS one, this one in that form. So now this is in the form of del pi dot a, I dou by dou x. So summation can be written as I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z. This is nothing but del pi dot a plus, similarly this is del dot a vector of pi, I dou a by dou x plus j dou a by dou y plus k dou a by dou z. That is nothing but del dot a. So this is the RHS one. The next one, so here we have very important one, grade of a dot b is equals to b dot del a plus a dot del of b plus b cross curly a plus a cross curly b. In another form, grade del of capital A B, in place of small b he has taken capital A B. In another form, he may ask the question in the form of like this, b dot del of a plus a dot del of b plus b cross curly a plus a cross curly b. Let me see the problem. So first of all, so to prove this type of problem, here let me consider, here we are taking this individual, consider just a cross curl b. By taking this one, we are going to solve this one. So consider just now I said a cross curl b. So a cross of, we know the formula of curl b, del cross b. A cross of del cross is what? I cross dou b by dou x plus j cross dou b by dou y plus k cross dou b by dou z. That can be written as summation I cross. In the short form, we can write this one as summation I cross dou b by dou x. Summation, take summation total to the outside, summation of a cross of I cross of dou b by dou x. Now this is in the form of a cross of b cross c. Here we have the formula for a cross of b cross c formula, a dot c of b minus a dot b of c. We may write this one into the form of this one. So summation of this one, a dot c of b minus a dot b of c, in that form. Now summation of I a dot dou b by dou x minus a dou b, a summation dou b by dou x of I dou b by dou x. See here, a summation I dou b by dou x of this b we written as outside, summation I a dou b by dou x minus, now this is in the form of a dot del of b. To write this one as a dot del of b, here just we taken b outside of this part. To write this one as a dot del of b. Now we got finally a cross curly b. We got a cross curly b is equals to summation I a dot dou b by dou x minus a dot del of b. Similarly, if we can do b cross of curly a is equals to summation I, whereas in place of a b, in place of b a, just by add these two terms, a cross curly b plus b cross curly a. Adding these two terms, we get here, adding these two terms, this one is equals to, now this one is equals to, already we have a dot del of b, b dot del of a, and the remaining here we have. So here let me check this one and this one. So we have taken, we add 1 and 2 and a cross curly b plus b cross curly a, that is equals to, we got this one. And by sending a dot del of b and b dot del of a to the LHS, we will get only these two terms, this one and this one. Now this one has summation I a dou b by dou x plus summation I b dou a by dou x. By taking summation I as common, a dou b by dou x plus b dou a by dou x. Summation I dou a by dou x of a dot b. The form of this one is this one. Now this is can be written as summation I dou by dou x is what? Del of a dot b. So finally we will get del of a dot b is nothing but grade of a dot b. Hence we proved the theorem. This total one is equals to, we got grade of a del b, grade of a dot b. Clear? Now let me see the another one. Here we have div of a cross b equals to b dot curly a minus a dot curly b. LHS div is nothing but I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou a plus k dou by dou z. That is can be written as summation I dou by dou x of a cross b. Now this is of dou by dou of a cross b is dou a by dou a cross b plus a cross of dou b by dou x. Now this is equals to, by taking summation for individuals, summation I this part plus summation I this part. Right, now next this can be written as summation of I cross dou a by dou x dot b. Clear? Because here we have summation I cross dou a by dou x dot b, because we have in the next one only we have dou a by dou x, there is no problem for sign. So summation I dou a by dou a cross dou a by dou x of b minus, here we have, here see here especially summation, here we have written I cross dou b by dou x, we jumped at a, so in that point the sign will be changed. So here beside of this one only we have written I cross dou a by dou x, there is no problem for sign, but here we jumped from I cross of dou b by dou x, so at this time the sign will be changed, place will becomes as negative and a. Now this is in the form of I cross dou a by dou x plus j cross dou b by dou a plus k cross dou a by dou z. This is nothing but del cross a of b minus this one as del cross b of a. So b dot del cross a means what? Curly a minus a dot del cross b means curly b, RHS. Next one. So here we have the formula I cross j equals to k, j cross k equals to I. It's a cycle for I, j, k. The subsequent terms of crosses we will get the positive, otherwise we will get the negative. If we jump from here, there is no between is j is there I, j, k, but here we jumped from I to k, so at the time minus will takes place. I cross k equals minus j, j cross I equals minus k, k cross j is equals to minus I. You can check there. Now we have another important problem. Del cross a equals to del of del dot a minus del square a. LHS del cross is nothing but summation I cross dou by dou x of del cross a. So first of all here let me do this one only. After this one we apply the summation for this. So take this one only, I cross dou by dou x of del cross a. I cross dou by dou x of, now internally del cross a means what? I cross dou a by dou x plus j cross dou a by dou y. This one del cross a is equals to I cross dou a by dou x plus j cross dou a by dou y plus k cross dou a by dou z. Now I cross of, now you can multiply with this one. I cross dou square a by dou x square plus j cross dou square a by dou x dou y plus k cross dou square a by dou x dou z. Clear? Now this in the form of a cross of b cross c. Here also a cross of b cross c. Here of a cross of b cross c. To apply that formula, here we will get, yes, this one a cross of b cross c plus a cross of b cross c. Just now I see to the formulas here. So by using these formulas, now here a cross of b cross c formula, a dot c of a dot C of A minus A dot B of C. So I cross I is I dot dou square A by dou x square of I dot C of B minus A dot B of C. A dot B. I dot I is what means 1. 1 into dou square A by dou square is dou square A by dou square plus here. Now I dot dou square A by dou x dou y of J minus I dot j of this one. I dot j is what? 0. 0 into something is 0. We haven't right here. Similarly, the same procedure. I dot dou square A by dou x dou z of k minus. So here we have seen that a cross of b cross c formula just now we have seen, and here mentioned that I dot I is equals to 1, j dot j equals to 1, k dot k equals to 1. But whereas I dot j equals 0, I dot k equals 0. By substituting in that way, we got this value. And after that, I dou square, this can be written as I dou by dou x, you may write outside dou by dou x of I dou by dou x plus this one. Clear? Now here we have two i's, so in that way I write I dot dou by dou x of I dou a by dou x plus, so leave this one, and this one j dou by dou y of I dou a by dou x plus k dou by dou z of I dou a by dou x, because to take the common of I dou a by dou x from each term, so we have taken this one, and finally minus dou square a by dou x square is right at the end. Now by taking I dou a by dou x is common. Now this is the form I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z minus dou square a by dou x square. This is what actually I del. This is what del of I dou a by dou x of minus dou square a by dou x square. Now we have done this part only. Which one? I cross dou by dou x of. Now apply summation. Now applying summation for this, summation I dou by dou x of del cross a equals to summation for both del of summation I dou by dou x minus summation applying to the both summation dou square a by dou x square. Now del of, again this is what I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. So this is del dot a minus summation dou square a by dou x square, dou square a by dou y square, dou square a by dou z square. This is del of del dot a minus, this can be written as del square a. This is the RHS. Now we have another one, a problem. Evaluate del of r dot of 1 by r cube. We know that in the question only r is equals to the root of x square plus y square plus z square. So given one, r is equals to squaring on both sides, and individually differentiating partially with respect to x, y, z, we will get the terms dou r by dou x, dou r by dou y, and dou r by dou z. We have seen already. Now the first one we have to take the del of 1 by r cube. Del of 1 by r cube, that is nothing but grade of r power minus 3, and grade is what? Summation I dou by dou x of r power minus 3, summation I derivative of this one dou r by dou r power 3 minus r power 4 dou r by dou x, summation dou r by dou x is nothing but just now we have seen x by r, dou r by dou x is x by r. So next apply summation xi plus yj plus zk a power 4. This is nothing but this is in the form of f1i plus f2j plus f3k we have done. So here after this one del of 1 by r cube we multiply with r, and after that, so let me take the total problem. What is the total problem? We have done only r dot of del of 1 by r cube. Now the total problem is what? Before del also. So again multiply with the del. So the formula of del of this one is dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. This is nothing but divergent of the total one. Divergent of that one is dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. Nothing but that like summation as summation dou f1 by dou x. So what is f1? X minus 3 r power minus 4 into x. Minus 3 minus r power 4 into x. That is f1. Now dou f1 by dou x. UV formula, substitute over there, substitute this one, and summation 3 times, we will get this one as a solution for that. Okay, now thank you everyone.